gonna vibe code ourselves into stardom. And what we're gonna do now is, hold on, I have to subscribe, subscribe, subscribe to my channel and join Dungy, danjifans.com. Yes, no, okay, and then done. Start poll and put that in the right top. Okay, so let me explain it. Let's just see if I did everything correctly, because I'm with having running a couple of channels. Sometimes it's a bit confusing. Okay, I'm on the right channel online. So what's gonna happen? I'm going to be one of the first ones in the world. I'm a pioneer on a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna be one of the first ones in the world to do real-time ASMR vibe coding. Real-time is the important word here. ASMR real-time vibe coding on my own app, which is danjifans. So we launched it as a PWA app right now, which means you can install it through a browser, but I already made it okay, so I was on my Czech channel and we were actually doing that. We have 1,007 subscribers. 1,007 subscribers on my Czech channel, and I just bought the domain yesterday. So danjifans is super new. We launched it today, and actually we launched it yesterday, and we already have like I would have to check, but like 70 fans, okay, registered on it. So if you want to join in the whole process, you can join and sign up on danjifans.com. It's completely for free. So basically, there have been a couple of ASMR artists which have been doing a little bit of vibe coding, but not that much. So if you put in like ASMR vibe coding, it's not really a thing yet. There was a guy 9 months ago who had 27,000 views doing vibe coding. So he is programming. He's doing ASMR programming. For example, he says ASMR program Starbucks home patch, no talking, and he has 1.4 million views 3 years ago. But and then 9 months ago he was doing like a vibe coding thing, and then he stopped doing it, which is kind of strange, because so there's a guy with 250,000 subscribers called Code Fiction, and he had a lot of success like 9 months ago, like 1 year ago, but he completely stopped. So there is no one who is really like hardcore ASMR vibe coding, and there's a guy called Chroma Code ASMR. Let's check that one out. ASMR teaching on Python types, variables. Yeah, so he stopped 5 months ago. So we're gonna do something completely different. And this I think I'm the first one to do this. So we're not just vibe coding, but we're vibe coding our own app, our own web app, but also mobile app. And we're also, and here comes the thing, I'm connecting my community, the ASMR community, with the project. So it makes like click for marketing purposes. So we're going to develop here something that nobody has ever done. I'm a pioneer in this. This is like the first time you ever see this in the world. So basically, what I'm doing is, I'll explain it. So basically, I'm vibe coding in ASMR style my own fan community / Reddit Instagram kind of clone, where the one supports the other and the other supports the other. And I'm gonna try to make it worldwide popular. And the thing is, for example, there's a guy who does ASMR programming, calculator, app coding, no talking, 6 million views 3 years ago. So we'll develop something absolutely crazy here. Let me see if so I needed to prepare a couple of things. Let me see if everything is ready. Okay, yeah, it looks really good. So now I'm not gonna show what I'm doing out of for security purposes, but I can tell how am I doing it. So um, let's just say my favorite AI for coding is okay, a little bit of context first. So I learned 7 programming languages on my own when I was about 14, 15. I started programming, and I owned the second largest techno music website in the world. The number one was Hyperreal, and I owned the second largest one. A couple people know me from this time. So, and then I did lots of pioneering work. I was the first one for many things that you now see kind of on the internet, which are common. For example, and I'm not joking, I programmed the first business network in the world, like literally before LinkedIn and Xing. Like LinkedIn and Xing came like 10 years later. So, so just to share that with you. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna share this channel because I have not many people know about this channel yet. So I'll just post it on danjifans.com directly, and I'll just make here. I think I'll put that into maybe like Danji Stream Talk. Let's put it under Stream Talk. So I'll put here ASMR vibe coding in English. Follow the development of danjifans live on but also on the Czech channels, on the other language channels. Okay, so let's post that. So I just posted something in the Stream Talk forum on danjifans, and we already did a lot of vibe coding today. So we'll see if any. Okay, here comes the thing, and this is where it's super pioneering. Normally you would assume, and here comes the very pioneering part about this, normally you would assume that I program the thing and you watch it as I program it. And here comes the pioneering thing. I'm actually taking your input and in real time build it into the site by real time vibe coding it. That's the whole point. So while they interact with me in real time, help me improve the danjifans app and site. Okay. So this is super exciting. Hello city, how are you? So let me add that to the search console. Console. I don't even say. Do you say council console? I don't even know console. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna be absolutely crazy, insane. What we're gonna do with this, because one will feed onto the other, so it will become absolutely bonkers insane. And I can do that through all languages because I speak 5 languages fluently, and I can even do that in Russian and all kinds of languages. So we'll really make this blow up. This will be absolutely crazy insane. So is now we don't have enough people here yet who like join in, but we'll see. Like, okay, hold on. Okay. I think we need a new name for this. I have a very cool idea, so I'm gonna go into Claude. You could make it so that people can choose their language and the site will automatically translate itself. Very cool. Okay, let's do that right away. So you just entered the site, I guess. Okay, let me set up a new space here in danjifans folder project. I want, you can make it so that people can choose their language and the site will translate itself. Okay. In danjifans folder project, I want several languages for the interface. I think we don't need. You mean like even the form? Okay. That's interesting. So you not just translate the. So not just translate the. The interface, but actually translate the language of the post. That's interesting. What's actually for the interface? Can we use somehow Google Translate for some other way which is free and simple to install? That's a good, interesting thing. The interface, especially I want to start with Czech, Spanish, but it should automatically extend, and the thread post should also be translatable. What's your idea? But threads. Okay. Okay, let's just give it to the AI and see what happens. Actually, I put it on high, but not on max. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm real time asking now the site to be improved in this way, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so so I just told it in the danjifans folder project I want several languages for the interface. Can we use somehow Google Translate some other way which is free and simple to install? Especially I want to start with Czech, Spanish, but it should automatically extend and the thread post should also be translatable. What's your idea? Okay, which translation approach do you want to danjifans? Post translate recommended hybrid PHP UI strings. Yeah, I think that's good. Header, yeah, pick the language in header. Okay, and drop down. Let's see what happens. So he's starting to work on that. Okay, very exciting. So he's working on this. it would be kind of interesting. No, out of security reasons, I can't show what he's doing, but it doesn't really matter anyway because he's coding everything without you being able to see it anyway. So I think the whole point is that I whisper and that you can make suggestions and I'll just build them into the site in real time. So we have he's working on the language file now, and we'll see what happens. Edit. Okay, let's see if this works. Yes, I think that would be great because now people from different countries could come with each other more easily. It makes a lot of sense, so he's working on it right now. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, yeah, still working on it. So what he's doing right now, he is editing two files. Let's just see what he comes up with. And that's the great thing with Opus 4.8. He really doesn't make any mistakes. Like before, it was kind of annoying. Now he really doesn't make any mistakes. So, whisper ASMR. Okay. See, even that you came into this chat and already joined made me update the app that way. So it's pretty cool. So we'll see a lot of that happening. Okay. He's still writing. There's a lot of code. Okay, so he's still working. depends what user data you're talking about. So if we're talking about passwords, those are encrypted. If we're talking about so maybe the email maximum, like, but so the now it's very common for sites to get hacked. So it's not like when you talk about security, there's nothing secure. I don't know if you've heard about the last like breaches of databases and stuff. There is no secure site. If you want to be 100% sure that you never get hacked and nothing ends up on the dark web, not even manual coded website will help you. So and the problem with vibe coding is usually that the people who vibe code don't know anything at all about programming. This is where a problem usually comes in. So let me do something really quickly. Yes, it's very common. It depends on what data the website is storing. Well, right now it's only storing encrypted password, email, and username, and whatever you post in the forums. So it's not storing anything else. It's not storing GPS. Oh, yeah. Okay, he's still working. I wonder if it will work on the first one shot, like on the first shot, where it will immediately, like, I have to check if I'm running on Opus Max or on Opus High, or if there's a difference. As long as he's working, I cannot interrupt the process. The funny thing is that we already did so much today just by using this real-time vibe coding thing. It's crazy. So sometimes he's very busy fixing his own errors, which luckily code 4.8 does. So he creates problems and then he needs like 20 minutes to fix it. Your video got what? Oh, okay. I just got a lot of favorites on my on one of my Czech TikTok videos. Okay. I wonder if it would work also on TikTok. ASMR programming, vibe coding on TikTok. I think YouTube is better suited for that, but we'll see. So let him cook while I just check. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm going to make a short announcing what I'm doing. So, City, by the way, what's your name, City? Do you have a name on the page on danjifans? It's also pretty easy these days. These are many tools online that can be used to hack websites and a lot of skits out there to hack other people's projects. 100%. 100%. I'm gonna run also Claude on securing the site down. I mean, it's just launched, so what's your username on danjifans? So what was I gonna say? Yeah, so your advice was really good. He's still working, and I think for now I'll go offline to prepare some other stuff and get more also subscribers onto the English channel here, because I see that nobody's coming in. He just finished. Okay, let's give this a try. It might not work. It might work on one shot. Okay. Okay, let's check this out. Actually, it already works. You can switch the language. Okay, that works. The house translate. Okay. But it translates just to English or what? Let me see. Translation failed. Okay, that doesn't work. Let me see if what he says in the I'm getting translation failed. I'll take a look at the website, but I'm not my computer, so I'll come back to it then. Okay, what phone do you use? Because we soon have it as an app. Extra thick. So I'm getting translation failed. We need a bit more also log info on that, but also try to fix it maybe with another free provider. Also getting okay. I just gave him two instructions to fix something. Okay. So, but at least the interface translation already works. But it's just the interface. It's literally not the rest of the stuff. Danjivibe, yes. Danjivibe coding. Extra thick. Are you already on danjifans.com? Okay. He's also when I switch the language, it resets as soon as I click somewhere. Switch the interface language. Okay. Ideas are coming faster than he's coding. Imagine that in the future, the coding will be faster than the ideas you have. Yeah, but I think that the translation stuff is a very smart idea. What do you comment on ASMR outcome? Okay, let me check it. ASMR I see the notification. Hey, I'm here. Okay. Very cool. Okay, I'm responding. Let me try to respond with a GIF. It's funny. Remember when I created a honeypot website and people tried to hack in less than an hour? Wow. Okay. That's funny. I run daily backups, so even if someone hacks it, I can revert, and I can, like, if something has success, I could like easily put it on a separate server. Okay, they did some updates. Okay. Okay, let's upload. He did some updates. Okay. I forgot to. Shit. Okay. It's so interesting that some of these ASMR programming guys, they had millions of views on their videos and they didn't continue. It's bizarre. Okay, guys, so let me see what he did. So let me. Okay, now now he sticks with the translation. Let's see if that works. Wow, wow. Okay, very cool. Now it works. Okay, translation works. We're done. Okay, let me check. Can you go through the site and patch possible security issues without impacting functionality at all? Okay. So he's running cybersecurity now through the site. Let's see what he comes up with. So the prompt is very basic. Go through the site and patch possible security issues without impacting functionality at all. And then we'll just see what happens. Boom, 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 So, I think we'll make also a voting. I think we need a voting like function also, because sometimes you have like where you want to ask people, do we want this feature, don't we want it? So I think we put that as well. So he's still running forums. Okay, let's best moments in life. I'm creating a new forum topic now, which I call best moments in life. Talk about the very best moments you had in your life. Some very cool moments. Very cool. Okay. So, okay, since this launch is still empty, let's start with something easy. What's one oddly specific you could talk about for way too long without preparing anything? Intense lore, weird YouTube, urban, all the drama, hobbies, fashion, movies, random ways, such music in the house, deep does that into full research work. Okay, that's interesting. I wonder. Let's talk something. What's one oddly specific topic you could talk about for way too long without preparing anything? For me, I think it's social behavior and social dynamics between people and spiritual topics like energy. session harding, session cookie, you can steal it, secure session fixation, open redirect edges, lock and brute force startling. Per session, not the session beside selection, special for use the cloud field with saves, unlock and sign up prompt. Okay, clean and log out. Okay, whatever. Let's just upload it and hope it works. And you could also add a feature to the web where users can rate fan channels on social media, so more experience so you can help small creators improve and grow. You could also add a feature to the website where users can rate fan channels on social media, so more experienced creators can help smaller creators improve and grow. I don't think I'm completely understanding it. And you could also add a feature to the website where users can rate fan channels on social media, so more experienced creators can help smaller creators improve and grow. I think I'm not getting what you mean. You could also add a feature to the web where users can rate fan channels on social media, so more experienced creators can help smaller creators improve and grow. I don't understand. I think you have to explain it. If you could also, if you want, you can also explain it on the website itself. If you could make this like easy to press. First version is live. It would be good to have some of the links, like photos, be from. That doesn't make a difference. I think I uploaded the security updates. Let's see if that will be enough. Yeah, that she's social very cool, very cool. Extra thick is already on place too. for biggest fan. Of course, actually he's number one because I'm number one. Which is cool. It's funny. Ah, the cat is here. Hello, kitty cat. Hello, kitty.
Meow. 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 Meow.
You could also have features with us. I didn't get this with the rating fan channels. Rate fan channels on social media. Yeah, I don't understand it. You have to explain it again. I don't understand it. So. If I go into I can actually okay. Okay, I'm definitely so I'll make a pause right now on this live stream and we'll do I'll go in the Spanish channel now, I think, doing that. And then the second live stream I'll use also programming as a keyword in the title, and we'll see what happens. And I should make an upload as well. It's very, very cool. Well, I thank you, because it's a lot of fun building this with you guys together. So it's interesting how fast it will also grow. I think it will grow super fast. Unfortunately, I cannot announce it on the German channel, so I won't do that. But because there I have a lot of subscribers, but we'll figure out something else. I mean, even if the English channel starts to work, it would be awesome. I wrote that wrong. I meant that users could rate people's social media accounts and give feedback to help them grow. Ah, okay. Kind of like rate my social media. Okay, rate my social media. But then we could just open up topic. Rate my social media. Just open the topic, rate my social media. I think we'll do that. It's the easiest. Because it also depends a lot. So I'll just open a topic, rate my social media. Need help and growth with your social media. Just add your links here and ask for help. Okay, let me just do that right away. Create topic. Yeah, I just added one. Rate my social media. I just put that. Do you have with your social media, John? For free, join. Okay. So cool. So cool. So let's go into announcements. New updates. Link list for Itachi. Or actually, okay. I know, I'll just pin it. So, okay, let's try to pin it. What happens? Yeah, it works perfectly. Okay. Okay, so, we have it now. Instagram, I think it would be also interesting, like, so we have forums, rate my social media. I don't understand how you only have 2 views. I've been watching the stream for quite some time. I think it's very interesting. I'm not worrying about it now. I think it will come. I will drop a short also to bring in more people. Plus, it's everybody in the US is sleeping. So, but rate my social media. I was about to post something. What was that? Instagram. Instagram growth, social media growth tactics. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. If you need help quickly, we can really like this forming. Says toxic is underrated but really important. So it's cool to see if it's on space here. Yeah, I think I haven't really posted a lot yet, but I think it will be super interesting as it grows. Plus, I want to talk more about attraction, the topic of attraction, as well with the dominance thing, etc. So that will be interesting as well. We'll see what happens. Okay, so let me make a short now to bring in more users, and then switch also to. I think the fastest growing one is right now will be the Czech ASMR for this whole thing, but we'll see how how it develops. If I get Czech people also on the English ASMR, then I think we'll see that grow as well. I think it will all like work into together into itself.